There's so much good food there. They're literally cracking ground on fresh facility here at the hospital. And then what they've done is they brought in a bunch of righteous vendors to, how should we say, share in the goodness. Let's see, let's wander by. We'll see who all's here and we'll see if we can say hi.
Peter, I'm the chef upstairs.
Oh, hi Peter, nice to meet you. So, pretty nice of you guys to come out to the Swedish event.
It's our neighbor.
Are you excited?
Yeah, they take good care of us, absolutely. It's good to be here.
Neato. Well, thanks for coming out. Well, hi there.
Hi.
So, let's see. Who are you?
My name is Danielle. I'm the sous chef at the High Life restaurant.
Oh, wait a minute, the sous chef? Oh my gosh, so you're supporting the Swedish event.
Hello, yes I am.
And you're smiling.
Of course.
That's pretty awesome. It just goes to show Swedish is a good thing, and supporting it makes people smile, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
And we're having fun, and you are?
I am Plaka Sciatorio. Greek restaurant.
Greek restaurant, where are you located?
I'm on 20th Northwest.
20th Northwest.
Off of Market.
That's pretty near here, isn't it? In Ballard, Washington.
Yes.
Sweet. What's your specialty?
We specialize in home cooking Greek food and Greek wine, and our specialty is our oven roasted lamb. We oven roast a whole lamb and serve it similar to pulled pork with okra and potatoes, lemon roasted potatoes, and we are also known for our fried wild smelt and our greens.
Awesome. So, Crystal, what are you doing this morning?
I am doing a great harvest bread.
Oh, it smells good over here.
Yes,
It
that's
smells
our
really
stuffing bread.
Okay.
That is a special bread we only do during November. It's a whole wheat bread with celery, onions, sage, thyme, and black pepper.
So now, today at the Swedish event, what brings you down to the event? Why are you here?
Well, we like to give back to the community and we like to support the community, and we want to connect with our customer. Most of them are from Ballard area. And
Sure.
This is why we're here today.
My name's Drew Reed. I'm the owner of the counter in Ballard.
Okay, and the counter in Ballard. Now, I don't think I've been to the counter yet. What am I missing?
Custom-built burgers.
Really?
Premium hamburgers, certified red Angus, hormone-free, antibiotic-free, never frozen. You can build your own burger from a litany of ingredients that we have, and it's a great place.
Pretty funny. All right. So we came in with Drew from Ballard Brothers.
Yes.
Okay. In learning about the Swedish event, and we've made a whole bunch of new friends, neat people who support the community, from the crew at Thai Siam through the Kick-Ass Pal at the counter, all the way down. You know, there's so much good food here at one time that it's kind of tricky to say who we liked best. But I'll tell you what, we liked it all a lot. Are you full?
Oh my gosh, I'm stuffed. It was excellent.